Got a bump on this side, but that's okay, cause I'm just going to the gym. As per requested, per y'all, I get this question all the time. What is it that you ate? What should I eat for auditions? What do you like to prepare for auditions? I typically keep it consistent. I used to never eat before an audition. Never. I'm talking like nothing but water, because I would be too nervous to eat, or I don't want to be too full and then throw up, so I just wouldn't eat. I started to lose some energy. Obviously it's because I wasn't eating, but eating just the right amount for me personally, to where I can feel comfortable, where I can feel energized, that's something that's going to be individualized per person. As far as like the calorie count, like the carb count, I kind of don't really pay attention to that. I know I probably should. Hi Bella. Hi, sweet girl. Definitely rule number one is to bring lots of water. Keep very hydrated. Gatorade's cool if you feel like you need it. I never really used to do this. I never used to bring snacks, but then I'd start to get hungry, so then I'd be snacking other people's like snacks, and I'm just like, okay, I gotta get this under control. I'm just gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna show you guys the video of what I like to eat, manger, comer, all the times for my auditions, okay? I always love to start my morning off with a nice steaming cup of hot tea, preferably green tea, but any tea will work. This is how I like to cook my egg whites. I like to just leave it slowly cooking in the center of the pan, and then I'll just stuff some spinach on top, and then I'll just kind of mix it all together. This is the egg whites that I use, and if not, you could use regular brown cage-free eggs. And then I like to do my complex carbs on the side. I find that oatmeal works best for me. I just mix it in with water and a little bit of cinnamon, well, you know, cinnamon. And some fruit. I put blueberries here, but you can also do bananas. That's a really good fruit for starting your day off in the morning. For snacks, I'll do kind of like a protein bar. I like these Cliff bars. They're so yummy and they really give me a lot of energy. Been really loving this little travel size hummus. I love hummus, and then it comes with pretzels. Walnuts are the best for energy, but you could do almonds. Almonds are really good too. If you don't like to eat food in the morning, I would do a protein shake. This is the protein that I'm currently taking right now. I know it's got whey, so if you're vegan, this is probably not gonna work for you. Sometimes I'll throw fruit in there, like a banana, or I'll throw some oatmeal in there to make it a complete meal replacement. The best thing about a protein shake is that you can really take it on the go and just sip it while you dance. But no matter what, it's not about being thin, it's just about being healthy. So again, with these foods, and what I'm telling you guys is just to encourage you to be healthy, okay? So eat a carrot or eat celery, because you actually burn calories when you eat celery, just like plain celery, that's it. Isn't that crazy? I am on my way to the gym. I'm about to go hit that workout that I showed you guys in my last week video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you know anytime I post a video. And I will check you guys in my next video.